Welcome back, dear children. Welcome to today's English class. Yesterday, we learned about a noun. Did you read your textbook? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, feeling, or thought. And all naming words are nouns. Examples: Priya, boy, class, iron, truth, etc. Then we learned about kinds of nouns. There are 5 kinds of nouns. They are proper noun, second one common noun, third one collective noun, fourth one material noun, and fifth one abstract noun. Then we learned about proper noun. We saw a proper noun is the special name of a particular person, place, animal, or thing. And we also learned it always begins with a capital letter. Today we are going to learn common noun. Let's see what is a common noun. A common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. I repeat, a common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. Here we have one example. Kapil is an honest man. Yesterday we learned every proper noun begins with a capital letter. Then you will say, which is the proper noun here? Kapil. Then which is a common noun? Yes, the word man can be used for any man. It does not point out any particular man. It is common to all men. Understood? It is common to all men. It is therefore called a common noun. It is therefore called a common noun. So here Kapil is a proper noun and a man is a common noun. Let's read this example. The Nile is the longest river in Africa. Children, here which is the proper noun? Here are 2 proper nouns. We know every proper noun begins with a capital letter. Here, which words begins with the capital letter here? Yes, Nile and Africa. So here, Nile and Africa are proper nouns. Then, which is the common noun here? Yes, river. Here, the word river can be used for any river. It does not point out any particular river. Children, here only Nile and Africa point out a particular name. One is point out a particular name of a river and another one is point out a particular name of a country. Understood? So, here river is the common noun. It is common to all rivers. It is therefore called a common noun. Next example, Rahul is my brother. He is a doctor. Here, Rahul is a proper noun. And which is the common noun here? Yes, here are two common nouns, brother and doctor. These are the names given in common to every person. So, here brother and doctor are common nouns. Okay children, let's summarize what we learned today. Today we learned about common noun. Then what is a common noun children? Okay, a common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. I hope you all understood today's class. Take care of yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.